Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm gonna try and do a Halloween makeup tutorial. I have not done any makeup or tutorials on this channel before, so it's gonna be very new for me. I am definitely not a professional at doing Halloween makeup, so I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see how it turns out, but I'm sure it'll be great. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. You will need white glue or liquid latex along with a brush. I'm going to be applying some under my eye and on the side of my mouth to make it appear as though I have open wounds. I found this method of applying the white glue directly to my face without any tissue paper more realistic because I was able to stretch it out and manipulate it to appear as if my skin had been torn. I am going to try both methods though. When I do the part by my mouth, you'll see me try it up with tissue paper. You want to put quite a generous amount on so that when it dries you'll have a thick enough piece to cut through. Now that that one is done, I'm going to leave it to dry while I move on to the part by my mouth. For this one I'm going to be using tissues. Tear the tissue into small strips. Make sure to measure it out before you apply the glue. For this one I'm doing a layer of glue and then a layer of tissue paper. I'm just going to repeat that same process. I did about 4 layers, but it's completely up to you how many you want, depending on how thick you want it to be. While I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eye makeup. First thing I'm going to do is apply some light red eyeshadow to below my eyes. Now that I have the light shade of red down, I'm going to go in with a darker shade of red to emphasize the look. Next I'm going in with brown eyeshadow and just blending it in along the base of the red so that my eyes appear tighter. Next I'm adding some light red to my eyelids. And lastly for the eyes, I'm taking brown and blending it into the outer corner of my eyes. I feel like this just makes my eyes appear tired and sunken in a bit. Adds more definition. Now that the glue is dry, I'm going to be cutting a slit along both areas. I'm going to be using these baby scissors. It was the safest ones I could find because the edge is rounded and it tweezers. For the wound that is made with just glue, I found it a lot easier to first just tear a little hole with tweezers. Because it is so close to your skin, it's definitely a good idea to use a mirror up close and cut very gently. With the glue and paper, I find that you can't really manipulate it and stretch it out. Whereas with the plain glue, I can stretch it, I can tear it, pull it. I can really just do so much with it that makes it appear more like my skin has actually broken. The first thing I'm going to do is apply black face paint into the center of the wounds. Next I went in with red lipstick, which didn't exactly turn out the way I had pictured, but it worked out in the end because it was slightly purple when it was applied to the glue, which kind of gave the appearance of bruising. Next I added foundation so that I could blend the tissue in and make it appear as part of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other wound. Next I'm going in with red face paint, and I know this looks like a red crayon, but it is face paint. And I'm going to just cover up where I did the foundation, just to make it blend in a lot better. Next I'm going to go over that with some red eyeshadow. At this point I decided to cut the wound a bit larger. I wanted it to appear as though I had a rip going right across my jawline. Next thing I'm going to do is go in again with my red eyeshadow and just touch up wherever I felt necessary. The key is to just really blend it all out. I noticed the glue went flat, so I just went in with my fingers and pulled it apart some more, and it looked much better afterwards. Lastly, I'm going to apply fake blood. Take a sponge, or whatever this is, I'm not even sure, and dab it along the wounds. The blood started to drip, which was perfect because this was the next stage anyway. Next I'm going in with the fake blood, and I'm going to put drips going all the way down my face. Next, I'm taking a makeup brush and applying the fake blood right into the center of the wound. To finish the look off, I'm going to use these dirty bloody bandages from my DIY Halloween costume video. So yeah, that happened. Don't try to create the splatter with your eyes wide open. Rather close your eyes before you do this. And that's my finished look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to be putting out another Halloween makeup look very soon. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks. Bye.